Education plays a vital role in child's development, but not all students have the same learning experience. Many children encounter various challenges that hinder their academic progress. In this video, we will explore the 5 most common learning challenges that children face in school and discuss ways to address them. And it is the last one, which we'll discuss together today, that can particularly positively influence the direction of students, whether it is those who are currently struggling or those who are doing well but aspire to exceptional performances. One of the significant challenges children face in school is learning disabilities. Conditions such as dyslexia, attention deficit, hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, and autism spectrum disorders can significantly impact a child's ability to acquire and retain information. Learning disabilities affect child's reading, writing, comprehension, and organizational skills, making it harder for them to keep the pace with their peers. Schools can address this challenge by providing specialized support and accommodations such as individualized education plans. These plans outline specific strategies and accommodations to cater to the unique needs of students with learning disabilities, allowing them to access education more effectively. Children from diverse linguistic backgrounds may face language barriers, hindering their learning in an English-speaking school environment. Struggling to comprehend and express themselves in a new language can lead to frustration and limited academic progress. Schools can implement strategies to support these students, such as English as a second language learning programs or bilingual education. These approaches provide targeted language instruction and support, enabling students to gradually develop proficiency in the language of instruction while simultaneously learning academic content. Lack of individualized instruction in a classroom with varying levels of abilities and learning styles, providing individualized instruction can be a significant challenge. Students who fall behind or excel may face difficulties in receiving personalized attention, leading to gaps in their knowledge or boredom. Teachers can address this challenge by adopting differential instruction techniques. By tailoring teaching methods, materials, and assessment to meet individual student needs, educators can provide more personalized learning experience. Utilizing technology such as educational apps or adaptive learning platforms can also facilitate individualized instruction and help students progress at their own pace. Many children struggle with poor study skills and time management, which can impact their academic performance. Inadequate organization, ineffective note-taking, and difficulty prioritizing tasks can lead to decreased productivity and increased stress. Schools can integrate study skills and time management programs into their curriculum, teaching students effective study techniques, organization strategies, and goal-setting skills. Providing resources such as Leo Learning Organizer or study pocket guides such as Educatia Successful Learning helps students develop better habits and become more efficient learners. Social and emotional factors significantly impact a child's learning experience. Bullying, peer pressure, low self-esteem, and anxiety can affect concentration, motivation, and overall well-being, making it challenging for children to thrive academically. To address this challenge, schools can implement social-emotional learning programs. These programs focus on developing students' emotional intelligence, interpersonal skills, and resilience. By creating a safe and supportive environment, fostering positive relationships, and providing counseling services, schools can help students navigate social and emotional challenges, leading to improved academic performance. Recognizing and addressing the common learning challenges that children face in school is crucial for ensuring inclusive and effective education. By implementing targeted strategies, providing individual support, and promoting social-emotional well-being, schools can empower students to overcome these challenges and reach their full potential. What I want from you now is to go to the following address: facebook.com/Educatia. Whether you are a student, parent, or teacher, you will find there an extensive information there on how you can help either yourself or your close ones discover a successful learning. This means to learn faster with less effort than ever. My name is Mario Becchi. I am the creator of the program Educatia, Successful Learning. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and we will see us soon.